corrupt as everybody else around here. Get off me. You're as corrupt as everybody else around here.
You're under arrest. Stop it.
Pass judgment on people.
Stop resisting.
You want to pass judgment? No. No.
No. No.
Chief, I want you to arrest this man and bring him before the court immediately.
Get up. Get up. Get off me. Get up. Aren't you? Get in.
Judge, I don't know who this person is. We've had him arrested. We're going to have him brought before the court immediately. We'll ask that a judge be brought in to hear this case as soon as possible. Today.
Thank you, Mr. Prosecutor. I think we need a special judge for this case.
I think that might be the case, and we appreciate it.
Court presiding.
Please be seated. Mr. Prosecutor, what do we have today?
Judge, I'm bringing you a hooligan. A man who has no respect for the courts, no respect for the state, for the people of Missouri. And with all the power invested in me in the state of Missouri, I want you to try this person. I want you to send him to prison. And I'm going to ask that he be brought into the courtroom. He's here without an attorney, but the state of Missouri is telling this court this man is guilty, and we're going to ask you to send him to prison. Would you bring the prisoner in, please?
Let's bring him in.
Your Honor, he's entitled to a defense attorney.
Oh, he doesn't need an attorney.
Your Honor, his constitutional rights are going to be violated if he doesn't have an attorney.
Oh, he's just a hooligan. Just sit down.
This man's a hooligan. Sit over here. Judge, I'm asking you, by the authority of the state of Missouri and all the power vested in me, to find this man guilty of hooliganism, of crimes against the state, of crimes against the people of Missouri, and send him to prison where he belongs.
What did he do?
Judge, he showed disrespect to the state of Missouri, to the people of Missouri, and to the courts of Missouri, and for that, we're asking the court to suspend his rights to an attorney, to suspend his rights under the Constitution of the United States, and send him to prison where he can think about his crimes.
You mean to tell me that he showed disrespect for the court?
Yes, sir.
Well, if someone does that, do they have a right then to constitutional issues like attorneys and counsel and confronting witnesses and trial by jury?
Judge, as I said before, by showing disrespect to the people of the state of Missouri, to the Constitution of the state of Missouri, we're asking this court to find that this man has no rights under the Constitution. He doesn't have a right to have a defense attorney. He doesn't have a right to be heard in court. Look at him. You can look at him and see that he's guilty. And I'm asking this court to send this man to prison where he belongs so he won't be any more trouble to the people of Missouri, to the courts of the state of Missouri, to the citizens of the state of Missouri. Again, Judge, we don't need evidence. You can look at the man and tell that he's guilty. That's all you need.
Do you have anything to say for yourself?
You're still corruptible. The system's corrupt.
Judge, I'm asking that this man be bound and silenced. He should not have a chance to speak to this court. He should not have a chance. He's forfeited those rights. He has no rights under the Constitution.
Well,
He's a hooligan.
This up pretty quick here. I think it's clear to me that this defendant is guilty of all the charges brought by the prosecuting attorney on behalf of the people of the state of Missouri. What's your recommendation as to sentence?
Judge, I'm asking that he be sent to prison for a term of life and leave him there until he learns his lesson. I say get him out of society, remove him from society, put him where he can't bother anybody or disrespect anybody in the future. I'm asking you to send him to prison for life.
That'll be the order of the court.
Thank you, Judge.
This case is adjourned.
Thank you.
All right.